Right now, got my NERSH smoothies. You know, could do a little unboxing and then I'm gonna skate them. But we have a problem. 1, 2, 3. We only have 3 wheels. So we're gonna skate 3 wheels. Because NERSH is awesome. Do not ever order from their website. Order from Mobo and order their wheels off Mobo. Don't order them from the website because they fuck up. Funny part. Okay, so we got 3 NERSH.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are now in tune to the sounds of the high life. Roller switch your up, the windows up, I'm in the whip, I'm riding. I am Mac Miller. Roller switch your up, the windows up, chilling with your bitch, I'm riding. So for y'all who don't know, you about to find out real quick. Windows up, gon' hit that split, I'm riding. So let's begin. Better roll your motherfucking windows up, bitch. It's the highlight. Got a bunch of piff, don't touch, don't sniff. Y'all gon' hit it when the blunt get lit. Niggas so loud that they bust through bricks. I'm a kidnap Pele, trunk gon' kick. It's the highlight, come and get your mind right. I'm in the spotlight, blind cause I shine bright. Let me get a dushy and a honey, wanna love me, never bum me, getting money, well, that's just my night. And when the lights go out, nobody gon' know your name. Fans screaming, they believe it when they meet him. It's so easy and they see that when he blow the